How is up, life insurers? It's me, Aka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aka's Life Insurance. Self repair, save money. They tell me it's 7,000 rupees, 5,000 for the screen, and 2,000 for the service charge. I went online and got the screen in 1,500 rupees and self changed my iPhone 6 display. So I'll take you and show you how I did the repairs. नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को आका का प्यार। दूसरे से करवाओ तो ठगे जाओ, खुद करो तो पैसे बचाओ और मज़ा पाओ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस। This is the iPhone, this is the screen, and this is my repairing tools. The screen I've got from Amazon. The iPhone is in bad screen condition, so let's do the work. So I'll take out the tools, and first of all I'll unbox this package so that all in the video. So here is this box, and okay, I got this invoice from Amazon, so let's keep this aside. Does it have a sellotape? Yes, it has a sellotape. So let's take the sellotape out. So here is the screen. Let's take this box also aside. The screen is all wrapped very nicely. It has a cover and it's the same screen. So first we will test whether the screen is working properly or not. So I'll take out this cover, this screen, slowly. So this screen is off. Now I have to take out these 4 screws out here. Sorry, 5 screws out here. So I'll need to place this back, and I'll need this one. It's a bit small, so let's try using this one. Okay, 1 screw, two screw,
3 screws, four screws, and one from the center. So this out. Now I'll knock in with this one to pry off. I'll use my nails, which was better. So I've taken these two out. I have here also other connectors also. This one also out. So the screen is out. And I have these two connectors. So one is in. Let's keep these things also aside. Okay, it's the second one out here. Before that I have to insert this one, the bottom one. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so now first of all let's check the screen, if the screen is working or not. So it's getting on. So it says phone is disabled. Try again in 1 minute. No problem. Let's see the emergency. The touch and all seems to be working fine. Okay. So it all seems to be working perfectly. Yeah, the phone opened. Okay. Brightness is also working perfectly. So now I have to put all the parts inside here. The screen seems to be working fine. Camera perfect. So let's change the camera. Now it won't show. So I don't know how the home button is there. So the screen is in good condition. So and I'll put all the parts inside here.
I hope you could see that repairing some parts of the phones are very easy. If the circuit board is spoiled, you can change the whole circuit board. If the display is spoiled, you can change the display. So I hope you liked my video. So please kindly share my video, subscribe so that I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.